McCarthy. Don't know if you heard, but Blaine may lose an eye. The same Blaine who was just besties with most of you not 4 months ago.
Wait, are you serious? Is he gonna be okay?
Well, sure, if he doesn't care about seeing in 3 dimensions.
Trent, I got this. Bummer about Blaine. He was pretty. He shouldn't have gotten in the way, though. That slushy was meant for Kurt.
You may look like the villain out of a cheesy 80s high school movie, but you should know that I am fully prepared to go all Danny LaRusso on your ass. Admit you put something in that slushy. What was it, huh? Glass? Asphalt?
Red dye number 6.
You're a liar.
She questioned my honor. I demand satisfaction in Warbler tradition.
You want to have a duel? Cello guys, can you hang back for a second? I'm gonna need you for this one.
Everyone else clear out. I want you to see me make a girl cry.
Let's just keep this on point.
As he came into the window, it was the sound of a crescendo.
Oh wow.
He came into her apartment, he left the bloodstains on the carpet. She ran underneath the table, he could see she wasn't able. So she ran into the bedroom, she was struck down, it was her doom. Annie, are you okay?
So Annie, are you okay?
Are you okay, Annie?
Annie, are you okay?
So Annie, are you okay?
Are you okay, Annie?
Annie, are you okay?
So Annie, are you okay?
Are you okay, Annie?
Annie, are you okay?
So Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie?
Annie, are you okay? Would you tell us that you're okay? This is how you know. It's so cute. Crescendo, Annie. He came into your apartment. You left the bloodstains on the carpet. And then he ran into the bedroom. You were struck down. It was your doom. Annie, are you okay?
I'm okay, Annie.
Annie, are you okay?
So Annie, are you okay?
Okay, Annie. Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie?
You've been hit by,
You've been struck by
a smooth criminal.